Good morning. It's 6 a.m. in Zermatt. I'm surrounded by mountains. I arrived here last night. It was really dark, so you could just about see the outlines. And I think I spotted the outlines of the Matterhorn, and it looks huge. So I'm gonna have a coffee, get ready, and I can't wait to go on this adventure. Come join me. Check out that morning view. So we're at Gornergrat. How many feet are we?
3,009 meters.
3,000, 4,000 meters almost?
3,089.
Just say 4,000, yeah. So it's 7,000 meters up now. Yeah, so yeah, this is going to be awesome. Going to get some great footage. Let's go. It's not too cold either.
Got my thick jacket in the bag, but...
Hey, this is crazy. Look, check the sunrise out on the mountain.
Well, let's go up.
Yeah. See the Matterhorn behind me, the sun rising. We're going to get a higher point. Everyone's down the bottom bit. So we're going to get some really cool shots up here. Wow, look at this. Look at the peaks right at the back, just kind of peeping through the... Wow. Good morning, we've just watched the sunrise. It's amazing up here. What's this place called again, mate? Gornergrat. Cheers. Good morning from Gornergrat. Check out the view. We're above the clouds. It's amazing, just great place to be. So, we're going to go on a little mission. I've never hiked before, but if you check out here, we are actually going to hike here, down, and then around, and then up, and down, and around, and up, and then up to the top there. And I've never hiked before, so this is a challenge for me. I just thought I'd see if I can do it myself, and then if I can do it, you can do it. I've got my GoPro chested on with my new pal. Say hello.
What's up, man? I reckon I think it goes around there. So it looks like it's like this. Should we give it a crack, yeah?
Yeah. Right.
I got all the trails on my phone so you can see all the hikes where you are.
Yeah, nice, man.
Yeah. I'll keep an eye on that.
So we just started at the top of Gornergrat, and we're walking our way down. Beautiful view, check that out. Amazing. Get some more footage of the Matterhorn as well. Be really cool. I didn't get much footage of the Matterhorn this first little round, but we're going to come in the morning and do another trip because it's that epic. Slightly rocky down here. Look at the view, man. Epic view. Oh, this is great. About 3,000 meters up, so we'll be out of breath at some point. So far, so good. Not been too bad. He says as he gets out of breath. You're the one with the hiking experience, so yeah. I'm following you, my friend. You're my Sherpa for the day. I
can do it, bro.
Yeah, just for this bit.
Yeah, okay.
Cheers. That helps a lot.
Look at this amazing view. I've had to stop because I'm so out of breath. I'm not used to this altitude. We're like 3,000 and a bit feet. There's the Matterhorn. That's where we came from, where those little telescope things are. But yeah, such a beautiful view. I mean, I could just sit up here all day. And I might just do that. Or airlift get a helicopter to airlift the kebab down. We'll be good. But we're gonna crack on. We're going up that way. So yeah, there's a cable car there. I'm gonna check out the lakes. Stunning views, amazing. I've taken loads of photos. I just can't stop taking photos. Like, you just want to stay in one spot. It's so beautiful here. It's like, it's surreal. It's like you're not here. It's really peaceful and like spiritual. Like, it's such a nice, like, it's so nice taking nature coming from, you know, outside of London, and there's not much going on there with regards to views like this, you know. It's incredible. Oh. So we've got to crack on all the way up there, and I'm sure I'll take more breaks. I'll check in a bit. That was a good little break, but damn, let the misery commence. You must hike a ton then, man. Because you're just walking through this like it's a fucking, like it's Disneyland. So yeah, I didn't really do any training for this. I didn't break my boots in. Came slightly prepared, thanks to my brother telling me I didn't have any of the right gear. And yeah, doing alright. I had to stop there for a break. But this is like to show everyone, someone who's not really, I mean, I walk and stuff. I've never done this kind of thing before. So just to show people, you can do it, but you gotta set your expectations, and you gotta know when to stop. And my camera's moving a bit because I took the chest strap off, or I took the harness bit off because it was restricting my breathing at 3,500 feet, you know. So I forgot my camera strap for my camera, and I'm holding my camera in one hand. I'm balancing with the other. Mate, oh no, it's secure. Oh.
It'd be sweet, but just like, I wouldn't want anything to happen to your camera. Basically, if you've got ice, your foot will have high grip. But,
Yeah.
You just don't want to have any risk. We can you slot your camera in here for a bit?
Let's see.
You can take it out straight after.
Yeah. Hold on. I guess I am more important than the camera, right?
Absolutely.
Mate, I know you lot dinner at least, man, for doing this. Right, Mr. Sherpa. Okay, Mr. Sherpa. Carrying all my gear. Really appreciate it. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey, there's a reason why Indians were slaves, right?
What's your name, my friend?
Nelly.
And where are you from?
From India, mate.
Oh man, good tip with the get rid of the camera. I was gonna say that I'll be fine. Can you imagine I came up here at my peak at 150 kilos? You would have left me right at the start. You'd have to get 2 choppers and lift me out. Right, don't step on ice.
Keep the cable tension as high as possible.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh my god, these rocks. Jeez.
Keep the cable
Yeah.
Because if you think about it, if you slip when the tension is not aligned, you're going to feel it. So always keep the tension very high. Yeah.
My god. This is crazy. I was going to do this on my own with all this gear. I can't believe that. This is a real fucking adventure. Whoa. I let go. Had a bit of a slip there. This is one hell of a trek. If you're watching, we both have explosive diarrhea and we're still doing the trek. I'm not going to put that in, by the way.
It's kind of crazy that past that is literally Italy.
Yeah. What amazing mountains, right?
I know. It's all quiet except for my tinnitus. So basically my advice is to stick down this side.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to put my weight in there. Yeah. Thing is, that peak over there, once you get over that, there'll be another little thing, won't there? Yeah.
About 80 meters up now, I just checked. So,
And your little Sherpa app. So I'm running low on battery, and I haven't got a battery on me. All I've got is the battery kit. So we're just gonna cut this bit. This bit's quite easy. I'll get back to the end bit. This bit's alright, isn't it, compared to the rest?
yeah.
Let's see if I can. I'll do it down to 10%.
This was only 1 mile.
There, from that building. Did I say it was easier?
Was that?
I said this bit's easier, but it's the altitude. Like, I've never done anything like this ever, and to just dive in like that, I'm thinking I could do it on my own. You know,
Yeah.
it's really deceiving what you see online. Even the Sherpa's deceived. Got a bit of a drop here, so I'm sticking to the right so that I do lean to one side. I want me towards the edge of the cliff. Right, boys and girls, we are almost there. We've come from all the way down there. Check out the view. Just an amazing place. And here's my good friend who's helping me carry all my gear. I'm gonna get him severely drunk and get him dinner, I guess,
No.
for saving my my behind. And that is the last bit. So I've just stuck my charger on. I've taken it off the chest strap. I've run out of battery. So let's do this last section. I'm gonna do it all live. It might be a bit shaky, but let's go. Right, my friend, let's get to the top. Matterhorn is amazing. My pants are falling down slightly, but I think I'll be alright. Look at that. Just check that out. This camera does not do it justice at all. Just amazing. And that's the way down. Oh, okay, check this out. This is a little bit.
Dude, I would not be able to mountain bike this.
Is this a mountain bike track?
Yeah.
My God, what this guy's on. Oh my God. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh wow. Damn. Check this. View. Now that.
You want to sit up here or go up to the top?
That was worth it. Let's chill here for a minute.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh God. All the way. See in the middle? That's the where we came from. It took a while. Did you see? Do you know how long that took?
An hour and 20 minutes.
Hour and a half. So there's the Matterhorn. We've travelled all the way up and round up to here where the ski lift is. I'm unfit, but I managed to do it. I wanted to do it. Nilesh, you're a legend. He really helped me. He carried my bags. Like, I could have probably made it with a bottle of water, but like, he's done hiking and his expertise really helped. I don't know what I was thinking that I could do it on my own. I didn't realise how crazy it was, and his tips really helped. So maybe get a guide. Don't be a cowboy like me. I got lucky. I met him yesterday. He was kind of at the same hotel as me, but he didn't have a phone. He didn't have a phone to call them because he couldn't check in, so I lent him my phone. And from there we went for a meal and just became friends, and this is our second day of our friendship. Nilesh, you're a legend. I'm going to get you a few pints tonight, get you some food. This is just the first adventure. We're just at the first part. We've got loads more to do. We've got the lakes and some other stuff in store, so we need to crack on. As amazing this place is, I've taken some great photos. I'll take some more photos. I'm just going to do a couple more little shots on my Sony camera, and we're going to move on because there's so much to see and do here. Cheers everyone for watching. See you in the next episode.